If you're like me and you've been using ChatGPT for a while now ChatGPT knows you really well. It understands you. It knows your interests. It knows how you like to work and operate with AI. Me personally, I hate it when AI uses the word game changer in any of my scripts or anything that I do because I think it's a giveaway I was using AI. But if you're trying to move over to a different type of AI platform like Claude, you have to start over from scratch, or so we thought. Today, I want to show you guys how you can literally migrate everything over from ChatGPT over to Claude AI in a seamless way to do it. And honestly, by the end of this video, you might like your setup even better over at Claude. But without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so here's the free, quick, easy way to take, again, what ChatGPT knows about you and migrate it over to Claude AI. First thing you want to do is go over to Claude AI at the bottom left after you've created an account already, obviously. Hit on the icon on the left side, and then you're going to hit settings. Then you're going to see capabilities a little bit further down, and very close to the top, you should see a memory and import memory from other AI providers. Hit start import. Okay, so here Claude has already given you guys a prompt. You simply just have to copy. And then what you're going to do is take that prompt, bring it over to ChatGPT, paste it in, take the results and bring it back over here to Claude and paste it in here. All right, so that's exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to make sure we copy that. We're gonna go to ChatGPT. We're gonna hit here, Control V to paste if you want. Run this. It's gonna take ChatGPT a moment. It's gonna go through this prompt and generate something for you to bring over to Claude. All right, what you're gonna do now at the top right, take the results, copy the results from ChatGPT. We're gonna go back to Claude, and then we are going to paste this into the Claude memory for that. All right. However, here's one thing that I think is really interesting is this prompt from Claude is a lot about like hard facts and data. We want to go one step further. I created another prompt for you guys that I've got linked in the description below. And I also have it pinned as the first comment. This one's going to bring more of your personality and how you like to work with AI over. So we're doing two prompts, nice, free, easy way to do this. So we're going to go ahead and add this to memory. You're going to copy that prompt and you're going to go back over to ChatGPT and paste that in down below. Once you have that pasted down below, run that prompt as well. And here's how we're going to do this. We're going to do this part a little bit different. The results that you get from ChatGPT, you're going to copy it, but instead of uploading it directly manually into the memory, we're going to upload it into a separate brand new chat from Claude. All right, once back over here with Claude, we're going to simply add this little description above. All right, please read this and store everything relevant into your memory about me, prioritizing my communication preferences and my active projects. Okay, then we're going to simply take what we got from ChatGPT. We're going to copy that and add that right below. And then we're going to run that through. So now we added directly to the memory for hard facts and data about what we used to do with ChatGPT. This is going to bring more of my personalization and my personality, things that I like and how I like to work with AI. That's what this second prompt is going to do. Again, all pretty fast, free for you guys to just, instead of starting from scratch with Claude, you're now able to transfer over and migrate things that you had from ChatGPT over to Claude AI. Claude just went through, added this and updated it to the memory base. And it looks like we're good to go. And it was that awesome and that fast for you guys to do. Be sure to click the link down below to find these prompts for you guys. And also be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.